Have you taken a carpet dyeing course and still have not learned? Do you feel like the training that you've taken offered so much information that you felt completely overwhelmed by all of it? Or perhaps the training that you took did not go enough into color theory and stayed at the surface, leaving you still to understand how to dye carpets? If that's you, maybe I can help. My name is Isa, and I am the creator of the Diebold carpet dyeing machine, and I am the founder of Diebold and the Diebold Academy. And here's the kit that you would get if you sign up for the Carpet Dye Made Easy training that we offer. It's a training that is simple and easy to follow, and it all begins with having good quality dyes. Take a look. And wanted to show you quickly how we go about making a tertiary color using the Diebold dyes. Now the Diebold dyes are evenly balanced, so that as you can see here, by adding 1 scoop of the blue dyes, now notice how the dyes dissolve readily, right? And now we go about adding 1 scoop of the red dyes, and this should give us a nice purple, which, by the way, if you currently dye bleach spots, you would know that the purple would fix the majority of the bleached nylon carpets, right? So this here will make you a lot of money because your job will go much faster, right? But going on to making a tertiary color, in this case we're going to make a brown today. You can see that we add 1 little scoop of the yellow, and that should give us a nice brown. And so as you can see here, this is our brown that we've made simply by adding 1 scoop of blue, 1 scoop of red, and 1 scoop of yellow. Now I've also added already the pH reducer here to this dye solution, and here I am dyeing this off-white carpet to a brown. And you can see how dark and how strong this formula is. So now I'm bringing it to a deeper shade of brown by submerging the carpet a second time. And now I'm actually going to wash this sample. And you can see how strong these colors are. And so here we have it. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments, and I look forward to speaking with you.